everyone, this is the Fiery Furnace Trail hike. We are at the Arches National Park. The furnace are only accessible with guided tours. It is like a maze over here. Two key reminders. Bring sufficient water and wear good hiking shoes. This is the first arch on the trail. It rained the day earlier and it was a little bit muddy on the ground. First challenge, the arch crawl. All you need to do is crawl over the arch. Somehow I made it look easier than it was. Next, we head towards another arch. We came to the next arch, which is the spectacle arch. It is called the spectacle arch because obviously it looks like a spectacle. There are no cell services at the arches. Next, we make our way up on a slope. You will need good balance and hiking shoes for this. And the third challenge is to slide over the ditch. Not a problem if you have long legs. And the fourth challenge is the vertical crab crawl. Do not cross your legs and have at least 3 points of contact. Next, it's time to put to the test your vertical crab crawling skills. Do remember to have at least 3 points of contact on the wall or the rock to balance yourself. Try to stay as low as possible. You want to have a lower center of gravity so that you don't trip and fall. Next, we switch to ass-scooching. Your ass can be one of the 3 points of contact too. Here goes. It looks pretty fun, right? Get down to the other side when you have sufficient space. By now, you should be an expert in ass-scooching. And we had more talks about the furnace over here. The next challenge is to climb over the rock and head downward. You need to be extra careful over here as you don't want to fall down. We had barely 10,000 steps here. Next, we did the cat sidewalk. The furnace is moderately strenuous. This place would be super slippery on a wet season. And the fourth arch that we saw was the surprise arch. Such a surprise, it was right above our head. The ranger told us a story about how the arch was named. And the last challenge is to get out. This was an awesome experience for me. You should really come and experience this. 50% of the people in my group were older folks. If they can do it, you can do it too. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time watching my video. And here we are back to the parking lot.